Let's talk about something that keeps coming up everywhere right now: AI and crypto. You cannot scroll through a feed without seeing some new project claiming to be the intersection of both. And the question I keep getting is the same one I keep asking myself. Is any of this actually real, or is it just two buzzwords having a baby so someone can raise money faster? I want to give you an honest answer. Not the answer a project's marketing team would give you, and not the doomer answer either. Just what's actually happening. So let's start with the pitch, because you've heard it. The idea is that AI needs decentralized infrastructure. It needs compute power, data, and autonomy that centralized companies like Google and Microsoft can't or won't provide. Crypto provides the decentralized rails. AI rides those rails. Everyone wins. That's the pitch. And honestly, parts of it are legitimate. Take compute. Training and running AI models costs an absurd amount of money. Most of that cost is GPUs. Right now, if you want to run a serious AI workload, you basically go to Amazon, Google, or Microsoft and pay whatever they charge. There's no real competition. Projects like Render and Akash are trying to build decentralized GPU marketplaces where anyone who has spare compute can sell it to people who need it. That is a real problem they are solving. Whether they solve it well is a different question, but the problem is real. Then there's data. AI models need data to train on, and right now most of that data is controlled by a small number of companies. The idea of using crypto incentives to get people to contribute and verify data and get paid for it, that also makes sense in theory. Ocean Protocol has been in this space for years. Again, real problem, the execution is still being figured out. Now here's where it gets murky. A lot of what gets labeled AI crypto is not infrastructure. It's tokens attached to chatbots. It's projects where someone took a GPT wrapper, put a token on it, and called it an AI agent. And those projects raised millions. Some of them are already gone. The token pumped, the team cashed out, and now the Telegram group is quiet. This is the pattern you need to learn to recognize. When a project leads with the token before they lead with the product, that is a red flag. When the white paper spends more time on tokenomics than on the actual technical problem being solved, that is a red flag. When every answer to a hard question gets deflected with the AI will handle that, walk away. Because here is the thing about AI, it does not fix bad incentives. If the underlying crypto mechanism is poorly designed, making it AI-powered does not save it. AI is a tool, a powerful one, but a tool. And a hammer in the wrong hands still builds a bad house. So how do you tell the difference between a legitimate AI crypto project and a cash grab? First, ask what the AI is actually doing. Is it doing something that specifically requires decentralization, or could it just run on a normal server? If the honest answer is that it could just run on AWS, then the crypto layer is decorative. It's there for the fundraise, not the product. Second, look at whether the team has shipped anything. Not a demo, not a testnet that's been in beta for 3 years, actual usage. Real users doing real things. Numbers that aren't just wallet counts inflated by airdrop farmers. Third, check whether the token needs to exist. This sounds harsh, but it's the right question. Does the token create an incentive that wouldn't exist without it? Or is it just a way to monetize early? A lot of projects would work fine as normal software companies. They chose the token route because it's a faster path to liquidity. That's not automatically a scam, but it should make you think harder about what you're actually buying. Now I want to be fair here, because I think there's a version of AI crypto that is genuinely interesting and underappreciated. AI agents. Not the hype version, the real version. The idea that you could have software agents that hold wallets, execute transactions, make decisions autonomously, and do it all in a way that's verifiable on-chain. That is actually new. That didn't exist a few years ago in any practical sense. And the fact that a software agent can now own an address, pay for services, get paid for work, all without a human in the loop, that creates possibilities that are legitimately hard to build on centralized infrastructure, because centralized infrastructure requires someone to hold the keys. That is not hype. That is a structural shift in what software can do. The problem is that AI agents has also become a marketing term that gets slapped on things that are just bots. So again, you're back to doing the work of figuring out what's real. The bottom line is this: AI and crypto are not naturally the same thing. They don't automatically make each other better just by being in the same sentence. But there are specific problems: decentralized compute, data ownership, autonomous agents operating on-chain, where the combination actually makes sense. Those projects exist. They're worth paying attention to. Everything else, the tokens with AI branding, the agents that are just chatbots, the projects where the roadmap is vibes, that's noise. And right now there is a lot of noise. Your job as someone navigating this space is to slow down, ask the hard questions, and not let the excitement of two hot narratives colliding turn off your critical thinking. Because that's exactly what the bad actors are counting on.